One of the greatest tools we have, that we have with us all the time, comes factory installed, is our breath. So whenever you need to, of course we're breathing all the time, regardless, thank goodness, but in those moments when you feel stress happening, when you feel like you want to get aligned, just taking a deep breath, or 3 deep breaths. I'm about to close my eyes because that's even a better way to do it if you can. Close your eyes. Put your feet onto the floor. Let your feet ground onto the ground, onto the earth. And then take a deep breath in through your nose. And out with a sigh. In through your nose. Out with a sigh. 3 times. It's a really wonderful tool. Reset button, right? That's a reset button for us.